Hello students of class 12th. My today's video is for networking devices and we will cover networking devices. जो last video में हमने कुछ networking devices को cover किया था. Today we will see some more networking devices. तो as we have already covered what is networking devices. So, networking devices are components used to connect computer or other electronic devices together so that they can share files or resources like printers or fax machines. Devices used to set up a local area network are most common type of networking devices used by public. So a LAN requires a hub or switch or router. So networking devices क्या है? The devices which are used to connect computers और other electronic device. Suppose आपके पास एक प्रिंटर है, आप प्रिंटर को शेयर करना चाहते हैं among all the computer system which are attached to it. या कोई डेटा शेयर करना है एक कंप्यूटर सिस्टम से दूसरे कंप्यूटर सिस्टम में, तो कौन कौन से डिवाइसेस यूज होंगे? दैट आर कॉल्ड नेटवर्क डिवाइसेस, जिसमें आपका नेटवर्किंग डिवाइसेस है और इंट्रा नेटवर्किंग डिवाइसेस है. सो रिपीटर एंड बेसेस आर नेटवर्किंग डिवाइसेस एंड राउटर्स एंड गेटवे आर इंट्रा नेटवर्किंग डिवाइसेस. आज हम लोग सबसे पहले देखेंगे NIC, दैट इज नेटवर्क इंटरफेस कार्ड. तो ये एक कार्ड होता है और ये एक एक्सपेंशन कार्ड होता है जो मदरबोर्ड में लगा होता है और कंप्यूटर से उसको कनेक्ट किया जाता है, अदर नेटवर्क्स उससे कनेक्टेड होते हैं. लेट्स सी. A network interface card is an expansion card that connects to the motherboard and enables the computer to connect to a network such as home network or the internet using an RJ45 connector. RJ45 connector है, that is registered jack. RJ means registered jack, that is RJ45 connector. और ये एक लिंक का काम करता है बिटवीन कंप्यूटर एंड द नेटवर्क. सो दिस इज द कार्ड, एक्सपेंशन कार्ड, जो कि यूज होता है कनेक्ट करने के लिए. सो RJ45 is registered jack 45 is an 8-wire connector which is commonly used to connect computers on LAN. That is LAN में यूज होता है and इस LAN especially Ethernet architecture developed by Xerox Corp along with DEC and Intel. Ethernet uses either a bus or star topology and support data transfer rates up to 10 Mbps. So RJ connector looks very much similar to the standard telephone connector, but it is wider than RJ11 as it houses 8 wires instead of 4. उसमें हमारा 4 वायर होता है, इसमें हमारा 8 wires होता है. So RJ45 connector are used to connect computers and Ethernet LANs. So what is, and now we will see what is Ethernet card. Ethernet card is computers that are a part of Ethernet have installed a special card called Ethernet card. So Ethernet card contains connector for either coaxial or twisted pair cables or both. So if it is designed for coaxial cable, the connection will be BNC6. So it is designed for both the twisted pair and it will have a RJ45 connector. So Ethernet card also contains an AUI connector. This can be used to attach coaxial, twisted pair or optic cables to an Ethernet card. So this is the network interface card, NIC. Now we will see modem. Modem के बारे में आप लोग सब कोई सुने ही होंगे कि what is modem? Modem का मतलब होता है modulation और demodulation. MOD is for modulation and EM for DEM for demodulation. Now, modem is a device which convert the computer generated digital signal of a computer into analog signal to enable their traveling via phone lines. It is made up of two words, modulation and demodulation. So MO stands for modulation and DEM for demodulation. Modulation is conversion of digital data to analog data, and vice versa. Demodulation is conversion of analog data to digital data. So this is the function of modulation and demodulation. So modem allows to combine the power of your computer with global search of a telephony system. So because ordinary telephone lines cannot carry digital information, so a modem changes the digital data from computer to analog data, a format that can be carried by telephone lines. In similar manner, the modem receives the call and then changes the analog back into the digital data. So, with a modem and a standard telephone lines, a user can send faxes to office or important customers without leaving the computer system. Next is repeaters. So repeaters is the distance between two connected computer or communicating devices is more than a limit, then data distortion may happens and complete data signals may not reach the destination. So a repeater is a device which helps to prevent signal distortion. It receives the signal, amplifies them and then retransmit them. So it is a device which amplifies and restores signals for the long distance transmission. तो repeater जो होता है वो आपके long distance transmission के लिए use होता है. The cables connecting a network lose the signal transmission. So if the signal degrades too much, it fails to reach the destination, or if does arrive, the degradation of the message makes useless. So repeater can install among the way to ensure that data packets reach their destination. So repeaters are of two kinds, amplifier and signal repeater. The first merely amplifies the incoming signals over the network. It amplifies both the signals and any concurrent noise. The second type means signal repeater collects the inbound packets and then retransmit the packet as if we are starting from the source destination. नेक्स्ट वन इज हब, जो हम लोग लास्ट वीडियो में देख चुके हैं. इसका यूज हम लोग स्टार टोपोलॉजी में करते हैं एंड इट इज अ मल्टी पोर्ट रिपीटर. सो अ हब इज ऑल्सो नोन एज मल्टी पोर्ट repeater. It is used to connect multiple computers or communicating device, but it has a limitation. A hub is not an intelligent network device. It may not be able to filter network traffic, and it will send the received data packet to all the connected nodes irrespective of its real destination. ये इतना powerful नहीं होता है. Mainly it is used in star topology. Next one is switches. A switch is just like a hub and also used to connect multiple computers and communicating devices. So it is an intelligent network device because it can filter network traffic. So switch में आपका net filtering का भी काम होता है. So it will not send the received data packet to all the connected node and only to its real destination. So a switch is used to segment network into different subnetwork called subnets or LAN segments. Segmenting the network into smaller subnet prevents traffic overloading in a network. So आपका switches जो होता है एक से ज़्यादा लगा होता है जो ट्रैफिक को रेगुलेट करता है. जब नेटवर्क में डेटा जब जाता है तो ट्रैफिकिंग का प्रॉब्लम होता है. तो स्विचेस जो है आपका डिवाइस है जो सब नेट में लगा होता है, मीन्स एक से ज़्यादा लगा होता है और इसके थ्रू ट्रैफिक को रेगुलेट किया जा सकता है. Next is getway. So getway can be understood as an entry point through which one network can be connected to another network, like ISP, that is Internet Service Provider, which connects a general user to the internet. So it is a device, getway is a device which connects dissimilar network. Repeaters जो था तो similar networking में connect होता था और getway जो है वो dissimilar network में connect होता है. It establish an intelligent connection between a LAN and external network with completely different structure. So a getway is actually a node on a network that serves as an entrance to another network. In enterprise, the gateway is the computer that routes the traffic from a workstation to the outside network that is serving the web pages. So, the gateway is the ISP that connects the user to the internet. So today we have already covered the topics, that is network devices, जिसमें हम लोगों ने देखा नेटवर्क इंटरफेस कार्ड और इसमें हम लोगों ने देखा इथरनेट कार्ड. उसके बाद मॉडम, द मॉड्यूलेट द सिग्नल्स एंड डीमॉड्यूलेट्स द सिग्नल्स. नेक्स्ट रिपीटर्स जो कि रिपीट करता है. रिपीटर्स जो डिवाइस है जो आपका कम्युनिकेशन के लिए यूज होता है. उसके बाद हब जो कि आपका स्टार टोपोलॉजी में यूज होता है और ये एक मल्टीपोर्ट डिजाइनर है. स्विच जो आपका एक से ज्यादा होता है, ट्रैफिक को कंट्रोल करता है. नेक्स्ट गेटवे जो कि आपका लैन में को अदर नेटवर्किंग से कनेक्ट करने के काम में आता है. इट्स कनेक्ट्स द जनरल यूजर टू द इंटरनेट. सो इतने डिवाइसेस आपको पढ़ना है. So the network devices means the devices which is used to connect the devices as well as computers with the internet, or you can say networking. So networking devices और intra networking device में इसमें repeater, bridges, router, gateway important है. उसके अलावा modem network interface card is also important. So this is the all about the networking devices. Next video में हम लोग और कुछ discussion करेंगे. That's all. Thank you.